Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Tanaeah and welcome back if you're not new. And today I have a spring eyeshadow tutorial for you guys. So my face is pretty much done. My eyes are primed. So I'm going in with this, what is this palette? The Vivid palette by Color Rain. And I'm taking like the peach shade and I'm just gonna blend that all on the outer corner into the crease and the transition area first. Next, I'll be going into my Huda Beauty palette. The I forget the name of it, but you can kind of see the palette. And I'm going into like that dark reddish color and putting that in my crease and dragging it like slightly halfway to the inner corner. And then from that same palette, I'm going to go into a darker brown just to make it a little more deeper. From that same Huda Beauty palette, I'm going to take those two light, like cream shades. Those two cream, not cream, well they're cream, but they're powder. And apply those to the lid space. Now going back into the Color Rain palette, I'm going to take that yellow and that lime green and like mix those and put those at the bottom lash line for like a little pop of color. And that will like complete the eyeshadow look. Besides, I'm just gonna add lashes and do my lips on camera. For lips, first I'm going to take this lip gloss by Bobbi Brown. And it's like a mauve pink shade. I'm just going to apply that first. And then I'm going to take some lipstick, like a light pink lipstick. And it's the Nicki Minaj and MAC edition. And these lashes I'm going to apply are some 3D Mink lashes from my own lash line. I'm just going to apply those and that will be it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy, recreate all of that. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, even share it. I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for staying tuned.